Walking in love. Welcome to God's Breath and Stories. Today we explore a powerful teaching from the Bible, walking in love. Love is foundational to our faith. Jesus emphasized love as the greatest commandment. In Matthew 22:37-39, he said, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment, and the second is like it. Love your neighbor as yourself." These commandments summarize the law and the prophets. Love is central to being a follower of Christ. What does it mean to love God with all your heart, soul, and mind? It means putting Him first in everything. That we seek Him daily, not out of obligation, but from a genuine desire to know Him. His love transforms us from the inside out. This love is about a deep, personal relationship with God. It's not about following rules. Jesus also commanded us to love our neighbors as ourselves. This love extends to everyone, even those difficult to love. It calls us to extend grace, forgiveness, and kindness. In 1 John 19:21, we are reminded, we love because He first loved us. Our love for God is reflected in how we treat others. Walking in love means embodying the love God has shown us. It means being patient, showing kindness, and seeing the good in others. Colossians 3:14 tells us, "And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. Love is the glue that holds everything together." When we walk in love, we fulfill God's law. Jesus said in John 13:34-35, "Love one another. By this everyone will know that you are my disciples." Our love for others is the evidence of our faith. It's about living out our belief through love. Loving others requires sacrifice and humility. Walking in love involves practical actions. It means serving others and meeting needs. James 2:15-16 reminds us that love must be expressed through actions. Forgiveness is a high form of love. Ephesians 32 instructs us to forgive as God forgave us. Forgiveness restores relationships. As we walk in love, we grow in maturity. Love is the environment for spiritual growth. Thank you for joining me in exploring walking in love. Let's commit to living out this greatest commandment every day. If encouraged, please like, share, and subscribe to God's Breath and Stories. Let's be a light in the world.